All right, everybody, we're back once again. Gonna do like a combo video today. It's gonna end up hopefully at the Conyers Motorsport, Mountain Motorsport, to check out the KX 450F. Maybe I could get me a dirt bike today. We'll find out, but we got a lot to do. Okay, I'm going to take my bike, the Trek bicycle that I had, which is right there. What happened was I was riding it at the park, and I stood up on it to like try to pop a wheelie or whatever, and it broke the chain in half. So yeah, that didn't work out. But then first thing, I'm gonna go get a haircut because my hair's all messed up. There's the KX65 still working. There's the SSR 110. I still haven't sold the SSR 140 TR yet. That's a great bike, guys. So for a smaller rider, you guys saw how fast that thing was with that one kid riding it over at that park. So anyways, this is my little workout spot. See, I got my punching bag set up. That's that right over here. This is like a trampoline kind of for the girls, because they come down here when I work out and like do like jumping. They jump on this because Layla's into gymnastics right now. Just like my little workbench. But yeah, this is my little punching bag. That's just my jab, see? So go down. Anyways, I stay up high. Jab, jab, jab. The only problem with this, I used to have like an outside garage at the old house, and this is underneath my bedroom. So when I punch it, my wife's like, I can feel the ground shaking. So that's not very cool. But anyways, I just work out down here. I don't really have like a huge gym yet. I want to get like a Smith machine. It's like an all-inclusive. Smith machine is like an all-inclusive workout machine where you got the bench press, you can do squats, you know, legs, anything you want to do, chest, shoulders, and it's all like on cables and the barbell for, you know, like the squats. But right now I just work out with my weights. So I'm going to do a quick workout. I got to do my legs. I'm going to try to get back into it. Springtime, it's a little bit late, but I've been busy. There's Nate Dog. What's up, man? You doing all right?
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Tired.
And then tired?
Yeah.
You didn't get good sleep last night?
I did, but no one helped me.
I was going to go to the MX track today, but it's raining. It's raining, so I don't think it's a good day to go. But the only thing is, guys, well, it's going to be raining for the first half of the day. It's going to clear up, but then you got rain all over the track. I don't know. You got to call before you haul. No, I think they're closed. They might be open on Sunday. That might be a good idea. But after I do that, guys, I was going to go to the Conyers Mountain Motorsports. They got a KX 450F on sale. So, see if I can get me a dirt bike. That would be sweet. Then he said he's going to race me. But that would be funner for me to, you know, get out on the track with him and, you know, see what it can do. So, going to do a quick workout with these dumbbells. I just do like, you know, lunges. Someone moved my piece of wood for my lunges, my squats. Nathan, that's there for a reason. Anyways, do my calf raises with dumbbells, squats with dumbbells, lunges without dumbbells now because I'm not to that point yet. And that will be it for my leg workout, just something light, about 30-45 minutes. Then go get the haircut because I'm shaggy. Then get the bike fixed, get the bike chain dropped off and everything. Then we will hopefully Futuristic Gamer will be there. He's spending the night at a friend's house. He's got another birthday party he's got to go to after that, so we got to get him something, maybe drop him off, and then maybe go to the Mountain Motorsports and Conyers and see what they have, what the out the door price for that the KX 450F is. Anyways, it's a 2016, it's brand new, but basically what I've read is that the 2016 and the 2017 are identical, besides, you know, like paint scheme, I guess, or fenders or whatever. But anyways, stay with me, let's do this. Let me get some of that. Let me get some of that. Get some of that right there. You want some? Come, you want some? Come out to the outside, stay out. Jab, jab, jab. Come out and stay back. Then I'm gonna switch it to the left hand and hit him with the right hand. Bam! Bam, bam!
You're gonna drop the camera.
He said I'm gonna drop the camera. Anyways, guys, so stay with me. This should be a pretty good video. And then I'm gonna have to edit it. So we're talking maybe, you know, we'll post it by next week. Just kidding. We'll try to post it by tonight if we can. Get some good footage. An hour video. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hit 70,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful to you guys for that landmark. And I'm gonna still try to get something fresh, you know, something new. I don't want to do these boring videos that just to me feel boring. I want to do something fresh and exciting. So it's fun for me to do them and bring them to you guys. Thank you all so much. Look at Nathan. Look at Nathan on that jab. Let's see your jab. Remember, no, that's not a jab. You step with your jab, dude. Come on. I told you, put your right hand up. That's your power punch. That's your power punch. Right hand stays up. That's your jab to your left. Step. Don't have to be hard, just light. When you step. There you go. Keep it, put it back up when you're done. You don't have to telegraph it, just barely throw it. Look, just don't try to move it. You just stick. All right, guys, that's it for the workout. We did it. A little bit of time lapse for you. Of course, we were doing it to music, so you guys couldn't hear that, but we'll maybe add some later. So now, next time, take a little shower, go get my hair cut, then to the bike shop to get the Trek chain put on, drop it off, and then maybe we could talk the wifey in and go into Conyers Mountain Motorsports and see if we can get that KX 450F. Don't tell Mom. All right. Say bye, everybody. We'll be back. Bye. There's Bubby, guys. So we're about to head out to the Trek place. Well, first get my hair cut. Then go get your toy, Phoenix. Go get your toy.
I have a clown on.
You have a collar on?
Yeah.
Phoenix got fixed. It's kind of sad, but anyways, I'll show you guys the stitches. I gotta get her toy. She's trying to get it over here. It's stuck. Okay, guys, we're just gonna use this stick as we can. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Give me that. She's gonna headbutt me, I know. Try to pick it up. Watch out. Give me that dang stick. Give me that stick. Watch out. Ready? She's gonna get it. She's gonna get it. She wants to play. I'm trying to play with her before we leave. Look at Bubby. Bubby's gonna get her. Look at Bubby. Anyways, it's turning out to be a pretty nice day. All right, Drew's gonna wants you guys to see something real quick. She's been begging. All right, Drew, do what you gotta do. Look at that, wow. That's Phoenix's new collar. Anyways, you guys gotta see this. It's so amazing. Okay, here we go. One more time.
I don't want to kick you, Drew.
There you go. And kick back. Ready? Go. I'm sorry. Did you kick her right in the head? Ow. I'm sorry, Drew. All right, enough of the shenanigans. Let's hit the road. Bike's loaded up. That Trek Marlin 7 2017 loaded up. See the chain is no longer there. And oh my God, I didn't even notice that. I bent the freaking, look at that, guys. I bent the hell out of that. Jeez, they're gonna have to fix that. Anyways, there's the chain. I don't know what happened. Basically, just snapped in half. But I'll tell you what, I'm not paying for it. I'm not gonna pay for a brand new bike to break like that because I over torqued it or whatever. I mean, that's ridiculous. Anyways, all right, we'll see what they say. Let's go drop it off. All right, we're headed to the bike shop. It's taking us forever. Look at this traffic, guys. It's insane. McDonough, Georgia. There it is. Trek shop bound. All right, guys, I dropped the bike off. It's gonna help us out. Huh? Oh, I did. I know. Trey, sorry about that. That's the mechanic. Yeah. All right, there it is. I'm gonna go. I dropped it off. Yeah, I had a lot of torque on it, man. All right, so we dropped it off. Let's go get my hair cut. They said the cassette broke. That's the like the gearing in the back. Cassette broke, and then the chain, I guess, slipped off. So they're gonna fix it for me. Anyways, all right. There's the train, guys. Good old train. Train keep on rolling down the track, running through. The city's called Blacksville, McDonough. Well, it's Blacksville. It's not McDonough. It's like right outside McDonough. Anyways, more Saturday traffic on our way to get the haircut. We already got the bike dropped off, and after the haircut, we're gonna go to check out that Kawasaki KX450F. It's gonna be fabulous. Anyways, stay tuned. Here we go.
We're running in.
Get a little haircut. It's my turn to get a haircut this time, so same old great clips. Lake Down. Here it is. Lake Down, McDonough. It's Saturday. It's kind of cloudy. At least it's not raining. It rained last night, so.
You know, it rained this morning too.
It did?
Yeah.
We'll be back in a second. She's a pro. Nathan, what does it look like so far? Pretty good. She's good. She's got great hair too.
What is that thing?
It's just a camera. You mind being on film or not? You'll be famous. You'll be famous. What's your name?
Hey, it's Nike.
Nike. Nice name. She cuts hair very well. All right, I got the haircut. Look at me now.
He's not a beast.
He said I'm not a beast. It's kind of gloomy out today. Look at it, guys.
That
Like,
bird, I should hit that bird.
it's actually sprinkling, so you know, I don't think there's going to be any motocross riding today, but we could still go to the Mountain Motorsports
and get a dirt bike.
and look at the kind of sales they have on the Kawasaki KX450F.
Then let's run to the dirt
Anyways, it's 2016 though, guys. But 2016, 2017s, I think are the pretty much the same bike except paint scheme or fender color or whatever it is. All right, here we are. Let's head to the MX shop. Let's do this. That's what I'm talking about. Nice bike, man.
Thanks, man.
Man, that's from the shop or
No,
what?
no. About the only thing stock on now is this tank and front fairing.
Dang, that's nice.
Something's been done.
We're about to go to the motorcycle shop now to Mountain Motorsports. I'm thinking about getting a KX 450.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're into the sport bikes?
He is, and I'm trying to ride with him. I used to ride street bikes, but that's badass right there, man. That's a pretty bike. Look at that fender on that.
Don't get too close. It's dirty now.
What?
Don't get too close. It's dirty still. It's been sitting in the garage for 2 weeks, having my throttle go out on me, and had to read
Yeah.
the wire last Thursday night.
Does it play music?
Look at the fender on that.
2, 4, 6 weeks.
That's a nice bike. All right, guys, let him ride out. Guy's a pretty nice guy, huh?
Yeah, but
This is a nice Harley. It's getting a little bit misty now. Kind of a sorry day to go look at a KX 450F, but hey, it's my Saturday, so that's all we can do. We gotta get a little bit of gas.
how many gallons?
Maybe something you want to check off your bucket list.
217.9 per gallon. Huh?
How many gallons do you
I got this thing has like a 30, I think a 30-gallon tank. And it was on empty, so we're about to find out. Be back in a second. Still going. Still going. Still going.
Not.
Man, it's getting cold out here. It's like windy and rainy. And like the sun came out earlier, and now it's. Anyways, still 15 gallons. I mean, this thing is so slow, guys. Slow. Look at that. It's still going. I cannot believe this. 29 gallons. All right, guys, finally stopped. 32.5 gallons. Let's hit the road. We're back, guys. There it is. Good old mountain. We're going in and check this thing out. See what kind of deals they have. They do not have Husqvarna though. You know, Cycle Specialities has Husqvarna and KTM, but they don't have Kawasaki. So here we go. We're back. Hey. Pretty good. All right, thanks. All right, where's some dirt bikes at? Hey, man.
Hey, what's going on?
You got the that KX 450F?
KX 450? Yes, there is one over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The 2016, right?
I think it's a 17.
You don't have any more of the 2016s?
Probably not.
Oh, well, you had it on.
All the 17s are out.
All right, guys. So I saw this thing online. It said there was a KX 450F. I think it was 2016. Yeah, it's right there. That's it. There it is. That's my bike. Anyways, we got a good deal on this bike, so we'll see if they honor it. It's a 2016. That's the one. For some reason, that guy he's never informative. He's never informative because he told me they didn't even sell KX65s, and they got KX65s right there. So what's this one? Well, there's the 85. Pull the 85 out and see if you can sit on that thing.
Oh,
Why not?
it's 85.
Let's see. Oh, here's the what's this? This is the KTM GoPro. What is that?
This is the 85?
Oh, that's the 250.
Yeah, this is the 85?
That's the 250. There's the KTM 2. That's the 252 stroke, I think, right there. I think. What is that, guys?
Look at the deal on it.
Dang, 4,300. Here we go. There's a 250 SX. That's a 2-stroke. That's a 2-stroke too. Anyways, there's a 300 XCW. I guess Husqvarna and KTM both have like the 300s and the 400s. Ooh, here's a 250 Suzuki. That's nice. And all the way down to the little bikes. Anyways, it's pretty cool. There's all the Sea-Doos and stuff. But anyways, yeah, pull it out. Put it in neutral. Can I help? Remember, it's the same gear pattern as yours. He's gonna try to see if he can sit on this 85. Yeah, you can reach that. That's your bike right there, man. You can reach that. Yeah, I would say one more year and that's your bike. After you get rid of the KX65, then we can buy that one. You're already outgrowing the 65. But there's my bike right there. How does it feel? Before he couldn't even touch the ground on that. Put both feet on the ground. Look at this, guys. Are you gonna sell?
Yeah.
All right.
Can you get this for 1,000?
Yeah, I'm looking to see what kind of price, because I got a online price for that bike. So like, yeah, so they don't know. They're like, I need to go get my phone real quick. Go ahead and park it. Put the stand there. Here, I'll hold it up for you. Get the stand. You're allowed to pull these bikes out. What I need to do is get that thing off that stand. It's on the other side, Nate. It's the same as your KX65. It's not? Oh. It might be on the, no, it's not there. Where is it? I found it. There it is. Pretty much the same bike. All right, guys. See if they have anybody to come in here and help me out with this 450F. So. All right, there it is, guys. What do y'all think? I got the air shocks locked down on it, but yeah, to be what I needed to ride with Nathan. So
Oh, I feel the air blowing now.
feels good.
You're gonna break the front shocks if you do that.
No, you can't break this bike.
Yes, you can.
This thing has the adjustable triple tree that you can adjust that back and forth for bigger riders.
You're too big for it. You need a bigger bike.
It's the biggest they got, man. They don't make them bigger than this.
They should have them like this tall.
Now, let's see what kind of deal they can give you. What do you think? It's a new bike. 2016, guys. Pretty much the same bike as the 17, except paint scheme or fender scheme. But yeah, I don't know. All right, guys, we'll figure out if we're gonna get this bike, and we'll see if she can give us a good deal.
And get
Salesperson, and get a 4-wheeler. All right, we'll see.
That one.
Look at this, guys. This would be a perfect one for my wife.
No, for me.
Anybody. That's a 250 too, so that thing will pull you around. But it's not too big either. That's a good size. Man, that's nice. Anyways, I'm excited about this KX 450F. Look at this bike, guys. Look at all these bikes. Look at this Grom right here. This is like something that I would buy my son to get to high school with. Everybody else get a car and he'll get that little motorcycle. Then again, I could send him to school in this Can-Am. Look at that bad boy. Man, look at the shocks on that. My God, that will eat up some jumps right there, buddy.
130 miles.
Does it have a radio? For $30,000, it better have a radio in it. No, doesn't look like it. Looks like something like Batman would ride that. Man, that's pretty cool. Then you got all this Oh, the Hayabusa, the big Busa. Look at that thing, 1300. The original powerhouse KX. I mean, the Kawasaki kind of took control. But look at what we're looking at today, folks. We got the 85 over here that Nathan's almost growing into. Might have that bike next year. We got the KX 450F. That's what I'm talking about. That thing is light. I could pick that bike up and put it on that stand without even having a kickstand. Just pick it up and just put it on there. I've done it twice already. Yeah, it's a little 150F, but for me, I need something bigger. So we'll see what we got. All right, there's a used bike, Honda. Looks like a 250 or something. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Anyways, let's see. Oh no, it's a 450. It just looks small compared to that one. I guess because it's on the sand. All right, let's see what this lady will do. What kind of deal she'll give me out the door. All right, here we go. They gave me an out the door price if I finance through them, which of course that makes them money. So we'll see what they give me, what kind of interest rate it is. If not, you know, they give me like a crazy interest rate, then I'm not gonna buy it through them. I'll go with my bank, Delta Community Credit Union, which is usually what I finance all my vehicles, motorcycles, and stuff like that through. So, you know, we want to get it today. I don't want this bike to be gone. It's a pretty good deal. So wish me luck. They're gonna come back with a credit report, and then we'll see what they have to offer. Anyways, here we are. Wish me luck. Anyways, I bought the KX 450F, and I need a ramp to take it out of the back of my truck. I need some boots for sure, so I'm gonna get those. She already. How much is that thing?
119.
119, and I get 10% off, right? Okay. So is that the best deal you got?
This is the only one, like, as of those ones over there are like bigger, they're in the $200 range.
Oh, okay.
For like ramps. But
Yeah,
there's gonna
yeah.
be like bifolds that fold sideways.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Yeah, they're honestly better for if you're just pushing a dirt bike in the back. Because
What, that?
The bigger ones are for like an ATV. So
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
They're gonna be heavy duty, but they'll have space. The spaces out are a bit wider.
Okay. Cool. I'll take it. All right, so I'm getting a ramp, and then I'm getting the boots, and I have a helmet and gloves, but I gotta buy some pants because they don't have the pants that I want here. So, anyways, so Nathan, you excited, man? So you want to ride with Jason, maybe? Maybe we can load him up and go ride. Yeah, man. Thanks. And I get the 10% off because I bought a bike or whatever, right? So I get 10% off. They're giving me 10%. It's like hopefully they'll give me 15% off because I just bought a bike. All right, guys. Talk to y'all later. All right, guys. We ended up getting a ramp because I can't pick that KX65 up. I can pick that up, but not the 450. And I got me some Tech 3, some Alpine Tech 3s. Anyways, they gave me a good deal on it. So
You might want you to set it down for a minute.
yeah, we can go put it in the back of the truck real quick. So where am I going to pick it up at?
You want to do it at the dock?
Yeah,
Okay,
that'd be good.
so-
I can just pull back
Go
around.
all the way around. You'll see the dock. Go to the back side. Come to the dock that's closest to the building.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. And then I'll bring some papers out. We'll have a couple more sheets to sign.
Uh-oh, okay. More signing. All right, guys, there's the 85. That's a beast right there. All right, let's go put this stuff in the truck and then we'll meet them around. Huh? Probably. A lot of people don't know how to ride, so. All right, guys, I'm excited. I'm gonna show you this bike in a second. Here we go. There she is. I think they put the fuel in it, so I don't know. Hopefully they at least did that. Yep, there's fuel in it. I don't think they filled it all the way up though. Renthal. I got the Renthal. I wonder if they let the air out of. Did they let the air out of the front suspension yet, or? I gotta let the air out of this front suspension. It's like completely locked.
Is it still
I
locked?
need to know
Yeah.
what the specs are. You got the owner's manual?
Yeah, it should be back here.
All right, that's a pretty bike though, isn't it? Let's take one more check out. 2016. Look at that. Anyways. Yeah, it feels like they cranked it up a little bit ago. All right, guys, what do you think? Good bike, right? So anyways, I went back there to go pick up the Kawasaki, and the suspension was like completely wrong on it. I can adjust it myself, but seems I just bought the motorcycle. I wanted it to be nice, that way I could take it off my truck and ride it. And those guys were like, they didn't know what they were doing at all, and it's not giving me a lot of faith. Plus I already signed for the bike, so it's like these guys don't even know what they're doing. And I was back there kind of helping them, and the salesperson said, oh, you need to wait out here while they were working on the stuff. And I'm like, I'd rather be back there with them, because are they gonna mess my damn bike up or something, Anyways, just kind of irritating. So I gotta wait probably another hour before they set everything up. They're supposed to like tighten the chain, crank it up for me and all this and that, but yeah, they're not doing that yet, so we'll have to wait a while longer. Anyways, we'll be back. All right, guys, there it is. KX450F 2016. Woohoo! All right. I rode it just a little bit in first gear, and it's a little bit jumpy on the throttle. I don't know if that's because of the suspension in the back or what it is, but there it is, guys. There it is. There it is. Woo! I like it. We'll ride this thing a little bit, and it's gonna take getting used to. I got some boots, so we'll take it out when we get back to the house, and I'll have Nathan film me a little bit riding around, put my boots on, try to get used to it. All right, we got it. What, the milkshake?
Yes, but
all right, you excited for me?
No.
He wanted a four-wheeler, but thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll check this thing out. We're headed back. We're gonna get this thing unloaded. I'm just gonna crank it up just to ride it just for a little bit. Got the ramps. I've needed ramps anyways, so it's gonna be nice. There she is. KX450.
I thought it was a he because he's powerful.
What?
I thought it was a he because he's powerful.
No, there she is. That's my baby. The green beast of a woman. I mean, what do you guys think? Should a motorcycle or a car be a he, or should it be a she? You guys decide. Let me know what y'all think.
What if you're a girl then?
Well, if you're a girl, I mean, I would say a guy. I would say you name it a guy's name, but I mean, something about riding on top of another guy is kind of weird to me, And then I'm gonna take care of my baby, stuff like that. I don't know. It's just kind of weird. I always name my cars kind of like a woman's name. What do you think?
Yeah. Like doo-doo?
Like, oh, Nathan. Anyways, guys, what do y'all think? You name your machines woman's names or men's names? Let me know what you think.
Daddy.
It depends. Yeah, I guess it depends if you're a girl or a guy. But I mean, you're saying you wanted it to be a guy's name, but
Because it's powerful.
let's get this thing home.
No, I'm not backing.
You got it?
I'm not backing this.
I'm gonna do it.
It's freaking 500 pounds.
No, it's not. It's 240 pounds.
Can you help grab the back?
Hold it at least.
He can't.
No, I can't.
I got it. I got the brake. Got the brake.
Mama, come down.
I got
I'm
it.
taping, baby. What do you want me to do?
Okay, let go. Let go. I got it. All right,
Yay.
guys. Woo! Look at this thing. Woo.
Now that fits you.
See if this thing makes sense.
Thing is huge.
Stands. I'm like, yes they do, so you're gonna have to give me one. Also, it didn't come with the high pressure air pump, and I was reading online that it's supposed to come with one. So if you guys can tell me if these bikes are supposed to come with a high pressure air pump, get you one, then I can get you one later on. But anyways, it was a big ordeal trying to adjust this. It's like an order, you have to adjust this air suspension because the suspension's good now, but before it was completely locked out. So, all right, guys, I got my boots. Kawasaki KX
16?
Yeah, it's brand new though. They just didn't sell it. You can still smell the burning.
I know, it smells new.
Something's burning. Let's see if I can go through this little trail. Should put it on.
Yeah, you know people are going to tell you, put a helmet on. Right? People like to tell us what to do. Say hi, since we can't see Daddy anyway. Stay out of the way, baby. Okay. Okay, watch out, baby. Here comes Daddy. Watch out, baby. You guys match, you're cute.
Gotta take this bad boy to the track. We can't do it today. Anyways, guys, keeping it family Kawasaki so far. I mean, I can't really rate it. This does have the launch control on it right here, so that's pretty cool. You got to hold it down, but with my technology, with my know-how about dirt bikes, I'm not gonna use that for a while. But what do you guys think? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you got any comments, just go ahead and comment. Tell me what you think about this bike. If you have any statements about this bike, what you guys think I should do to it, just let me know, and we'll figure it out. I'm not gonna tear my yard up because I'm just not going to. It's going to be expensive. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Let's get this thing